There today I show you my long exposure effect Photoshop action, how to use it and custom it. This is the after and before looking. Another one and another one. Also you can change the motion style or move it or custom it. This is separate layer. You can change the background color or you can use your own background. See, the auto photo color is the replace the option our explosion. See, another one and another one. See, okay, now I show you how to use it and custom it. Go my download file first, and there is show brush file, help file R, and our action file. This is the cover and this is our supporting information. You can get very easily support and live support available via any desk. Okay, and you can read the help file for some information, size, image size and version or written format, how to use it, and our supporting information. So written format is there, and I have closed it now. And first load the brush, select and double click, it's load your Photoshop automatically, or you can load manually. Go your Photoshop, go window and brushes, and more option, click input brush and find out my download folder, long exposure effect, main file, and select the brush file. Brush load me first, select and load button, click, now brush is loaded. Go window, action option, click, now action option maybe show the right side. I have settled it left side for better viewing purpose. Now more option, click, and load option, click, and find out my download file, main file. Select and load button, click, now it's loaded. Up and down option, this bar, and this is the folder and this is the script. Now you can open your photography. Firstly I have opened this photography, and make sure your photography is a RGB color mode. If not, then go image mode, RGB color, click there. If show any message, click OK button, and make sure your photo is a lock icon show and background name is background. Sometimes some photo look like PNG transparent or others layer 0 format like this. That is not accept the action make the error result. You need to fix it. Right button, click your mouse and fit an option, click, now is set a lock background layer. And make sure your photo is a better quality size for better result. My video time saving purpose I have used a standard size. This image now is too small, so I use 2500 pixel, and they are already 3748 pixel. Auto link up option, okay, use the link up option. And now I have 2500 pixel and make it bigger for result looking purpose. And your original background, if you want, so do not crop, make the size area add a size area extra, or if you want to use our background, so you can make the size, okay. But this time I show you your background size. And now I have a quick selection tool and select subject button, click. If you select the quick selection tool, then there is show select subject button. Click the select subject button and your photo is autofocus selection, and create a new layer. Double click new layer, text option, type there BRUSS brush. Same my spelling, do not include any other character, space, hyphen, comma, or uppercase, lowercase, only lowercase. And select this selection and brush layer and fill up this pen bucket tool. See the pen bucket tool and click there. So fill up the focus point, and now you need to deselect first. The selection mode need to deselect, then apply the script, otherwise action make the error result. Go selection and deselect option click. Now is deselect. If you think you need any area brushing, select the brush tool, soft brush or a hard brush, and select the brush layer. Make sure you select the brush layer and brush the area, opacity 100%. Which area mistake, the auto selection. Brush area, mistake area. Okay, I think my brush is finished and others area perfect. And make sure you select the brush layer and select play me and hit the play button, click. Now we start working depending your PC configuration and image resolution size. We try to separate the layer and include some adjustment, color adjustment. You can check out the color adjustment, and also you can add the background. See, is still working, and we have used the smart object. Stop message, finishing message. Hello there, action is done working. Now you can custom. This is the default setting result, and now we can custom everything. This is the top photo. See, the photo is top looking, and our extra motion, another one, and this is add a extra color. See the color changing, and our explosion, and another one. This is bold one, like the hard, more hard. Select this one and select the mask pen and brush tool, and soft brush is a general brush section. And now some area you can remove the bold section. If you use the bold section, now it's looking great. Okay, and now I want to top photography effect 1. Select the mask point, and I have brushed the some area for our mix up the effect. See, now it look like very natural. Okay, also I have add there nicely. Now it's set up, and if you don't like this one, you can use the only marks tool, this one, and our others option backup. See, selection and the gradient, and you can use the gradient tool, the mix up the effect. See, but I don't like this one, I prefer this one for manual custom. And there is the adjustment, you can use another adjustment, and color version. See the color looking, another one. See, cinematic style color, and this is duotone, and darkish color, cinematic color, and another one, and another. And this one is a color changer. Uncheck all color and double click this one, view this color, and you can change the color very easily. And you can add the color, another color, the dual color combined, so new look show. Change this and use this too. There is another looking show. I just hide this one, use the original color on, and I show you the background option. This is the extra noise option. See, your background auto noise added. See, and also you can minus this noise 20% for best looking show purpose. And you can use the background color, use this on, and your original background is hide now. See, you can uncheck this one. Now original background show, and this one is our color, and color top shading. This is the back shade, and another shade in round circle dark shade. See, so if you hide this one, now your photo is only white background. You can make it transparent PNG, uncheck this background and this one and this one. Now see, your photo is a transparent background, and you can export it. Use the quick export transparent PNG. This time I have used the color, and also you can change this color very easily and use this dynamic color shading option. Double click this color changing option, move the color option. See, now is change the color, and you can pick color by it the photography color. See, I set this color, and you can adjustment use. Double click this adjustment and see, so it's super editable. Now I show you another photo, like this photo. Okay, I have changed image size and quick selection tool. Okay, selection is on. Now I go the new layer text option and type there brush, and I have fill up it, pen bucket tool, deselection, brush, hard brush use this time, and brush the area, mistake area. Okay, now it is perfect, and select and hit the play button, start working. See the finishing message, and this is the your photography result. See, and now select the marks and brush, soft brush. Also you can work the smoothly minus the opacity, and now you can work lightly, touch up your photography for exposure, adding purpose. Brush, look like natural, and make adjustment. Also this is too good color combination, but double click this adjustment and you can adjust the light. Is perfect now, and you can download this file, our Creative Market Shop MRI Studio, and our all product is there available. Our bundle product and our single product and license, personal license, commercial license, and extended license is available. Visit our shop, MRI Studio Creative Market, and also you can download our free file, free Photoshop Action, our on-site photoshopaction.net. Check out the free file section, this option, and flash sale going on, bundle offer, 99% bundle offer going on in extended license, not personal. 99% extended license available. All bundle are extended license, and our single product is a 3 license is available option. Download link include video description. Check out the description.